when I go into the schools to tell a story, I feel that I have something so important to share with those kids because they work so hard every day reading and thinking that their thoughts aren't important. Well, when they hear my story, they know that they can put their stories together and they're just as important as anybody else's.
When they see origami I am performing with, they really see the shape change and the new shapes, a new angle emerge. That could be a truck, that could be a pyramid, that could be a unicorn. And their imagination just goes really active. And then sometimes they even connect with new shapes that they are learning in the math class. That is a new shape, new idea, and a new creativity that they can do with just a piece of paper they have at home.
What I do in the classroom is actually bring spoken word to a place where kids and teachers can actually express themselves, and it inspires them in so many different ways to excel. The most important thing that I hope that I left with them, that I do hear from some of them, is that, you know, they have finally found something where they have an outlet, an honest outlet where they can express themselves in the right environment, their personality comes out right, and they're understood even when they don't think they are.
Having a couple field trips in the year, like something like this, where you have like a poetry slam to meet up with other creative people as well, I think it's just a joy.
I'm so grateful for my teacher, Ms. Harvey, for getting me into this experience, and I'm thankful for Cedric pushing me.
I get to see and touch things. Well, when you read it in a book, you kind of have to use your imagination of what it looks like, but kind of at the planetarium, you get to actually see it.
I never would have been able to go on that stage and do what I did if I didn't come here today, and if like Cedric didn't come to our school, and so it was really awesome.
They love it. At the end of the school year, you ask kids, what did you learn? What did you like? Every single time, it's a field trip. Or when you bring somebody into the classroom to dissect a squid, they love it. They'll remember it for years too.